Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show how to install Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu using Microsoft repository. So this method is recommended because it gives you automatic updates in the future. Let's start step by step. Step 1, open the terminal. So you can open the terminal by clicking this, or you can press in Control Alt and T in your keyboard. So the terminal is going to open, and before that, step 2, update the package list. So we are going to update the package list. So by typing sudo apt update command, and this command updates the package list in Ubuntu. And next, second, step 3, we are going to install required packages. So we need to install some of the packages. So if I open this, and I will give the code in description, guys, so don't you need not need to worry. And if I go here and paste this code, it is installing the packages. And the step 4, we need to import Microsoft GPG key. Next, we will add the Microsoft official security key so the Ubuntu can trust the VS Code package. So you need to copy this following command from the description. If I copy the second command and run this code, and it will, like, after that, move the key to the correct file location. So the key is successfully copied. And next, we need to move the key, like, need to uh, run this command to move this key to the file location, and just paste. So the key is moved. And step 5, add the VS Code repository. So now we will add the Visual Studio Code repository to Ubuntu. So you need to run this command carefully, like in this full code command. So if I copy this and right click and paste this, like, this tells Ubuntu where to download VS Code from. And the step 6, so you need to update again. So you need to run sudo apt update. So sudo apt update, it is updating the repository. So you can see here the second line, Microsoft repos code. So this repository is added. Before, it was not there in the second line. It was only Docker and other stuffs. So now, especially, it is added the Microsoft official VS Code repository in Ubuntu's package. And next, step 7, install VS Code. So now we are going to install the VS Code. So by typing this command, if I copy this and paste and install, so it is going to install this VS Code officially. So wait for the installation to finish. It may takes a few minutes depending on your internet speed. So after installing, step 8, you need to launch this VS Code. So once installation is complete, you can open the VS Code by typing just code in your terminal and press enter, and the VS Code is going to open. So you can see, guys, here a fresh install of VS Code has been opened. So to maximize it by pressing control and plus, so it's okay. Now it is bigger than before. And if I cancel this, so this is the official VS Code. So if I check for updates, there is no current updates. You can write this code. So this is a IDE, so which like helps in writing the code. So it is an open source editor for Linux. VS Code is supported all the languages, so like Python, C, Java, so all the languages is supported. And here you can see, and it is customizable, so it is helpful in day-to-day tasks. So if you are a developer or a programmer working in software side, VS Code the most used tool software in order to say. So that's all about this video. So you have successfully installed Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu using the official Microsoft repository. So this method ensures you receive automatic updates in future. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and share with your friends and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.